Good evening, I'm Peter Bartinik, a civil trial attorney practicing law here in Connecticut. A pretrial conference is a conference where the purpose of the conference is to talk about settlement. That is the thrust of the conference. At a pretrial conference, lawyers are expected to talk about settlement and be prepared for settlement. Other things can be talked about at a pretrial conference, but again, the purpose of the conference is settlement. And what this means is that when a lawyer comes to the conference, they should be expected to know the case well enough to discuss the facts and the damages in the case, to have a logical opinion about what is a fair settlement number for that case. The plaintiff's lawyer should be prepared to make a demand upon the defendant. In fact, it's better to make the demand before the conference so the defendant has time to respond to it. And the defense should be prepared to make a reasonable offer to move the case forward to a settlement. The party should come with a memorandum that's prepared on the judicial branch format to give the judge a summary snapshot of the case. And the lawyer should be prepared to argue their position, to articulate why their position is a reasonable one. You, the client, generally do not have to attend the conference, although there will be some instances where your presence would be very helpful. If you don't attend the conference, however, what you're going to be doing is being available to take a phone call to talk about the potential of settlement. Now, there are times when a client will attend a conference, but remember, the client won't take part in the conference. Generally, the role of the client in that situation is to wait in a waiting room and then give feedback on a settlement number. And the question from the lawyer would be, okay, this is what they're offering you. What do you think? Let's talk about it and let's come up with a counteroffer or a proposal. A settlement conference will take, a pretrial conference will take place at the courthouse. Usually they take half an hour, but they can take over an hour depending on the complexity of the case. That's your tip for the day. That's what a pretrial conference is. Have a good afternoon. Bye-bye.